In this video, I'm going to be using makeup that is from Black-owned companies, and I'm so excited to be doing this. This makes me so happy. If you are interested in learning how I got this nice glowy look, please continue watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I applied my foundation and concealer off camera using the Black-owned company Beauty Bakery. Now I'm baking underneath my eyes, that way when I use my eyeshadow palettes I do not have any fallout. I'm going to let this sit there for a little bit, that way I could just brush it off when I'm done. I'm going to set my eyes with the Mercier translucent powder, and it really does help to make the pigment pop more on your shadow. I'm going to be taking the color Messy Hair, and this is from the Beauty Bakery palette. I love to warm the crease up before I apply my shadows. It kind of like contours my eye a little bit, so I always do that. I'm gonna take this on the other side. This is the M332 brush. I'm going to take the color Ophala. I'm gonna tap off this excess a little bit because I feel like this is gonna be very bright in my eye. And I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner of my eye. The pigment seems really pretty. I'm doing circular motions on my outer corner, making a little V, and bringing it up into my crease, and I'm just doing circular motions. While I was applying my foundation, the camera died on me, so guys, I'm sorry. But I did use the Insta-Bake foundation by Beauty Bakery. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and I'm just doing little circular motions, and I'm going to do a V on my outer corner just to drag this color down in my outer corner, and I'm bringing it a little bit into my crease. Yes, I am loving this. I'm loving the pop of orange. This is so pretty. Guys, I get so excited. Did you guys hear that weird sound I just made? I told you I make some weird sounds when I'm excited. It was so weird. Right. I'm gonna try this color Oro right here. I wanna see how pigmented this color is on my lid. So I'm gonna put this right on the center of my eye. This is pretty. I'm not necessarily doing a cut crease, but I just want to see how pigmented this shows. With my experience with makeup, I've noticed that yellows sometimes are funny, like the way they show up on the skin. But this yellow is really pretty. I'm giving myself like sunset vibes. This is so pretty. Okay, Juvia's Place, I see you. I am loving this so far. Yes, honey, yes, yes, yes. This is nice. So I'm just gonna wipe off some of this Fenty Beauty powder underneath my eyes. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. I'm taking a little bit of this concealer and I'm putting it on the center of my nose. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend this out nicely. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty, which is, you know, Black-owned, Rihanna. Woohoo! I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty matchstick and I'm going to contour my nose up a little bit. I like to bring my contour towards my eyebrows. And I'm going to blend this out nice. I'm going to take a little bit on the sides of my cheekbone area. And I'm going to contour my forehead out a little bit. I take a little bit on my jawline. I'm a big fan of Beauty Blender sponges, but this sponge is actually really nice. I like it. I'm taking the Huda Beauty liner and I'm gonna create a nice wing with this liner. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using these lashes that I got off Amazon. I will definitely link the product down below. I forgot the name of these lashes, but they're really pretty and they're really dramatic and beautiful. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I always let it dry for at least like a few seconds before I apply them. These lashes are so easy to put on. I'm gonna take the other lash. I'm going to apply it to this eye. I always start in the middle. And I drag it down to the corner, let it sit. And then I'm going to put it on this side. Let it sit for a few seconds. And oh, voila, magic. This is the Bayesian Gal bronzer, and I'm just gonna bring this around the edges of my forehead because your girl got a big forehead, and that's okay because I'm gonna contour it out. Going close to my hairline so everything blends nicely. For my blush today, I'm trying to decide if I want to use Bella, which is this rose pinkish shade, or if I want to use Serafina, which has more of a peach tone to it. I'm gonna go with Bella. When I apply my blush, I like to kind of like scoop my cheek out a little bit. I go a little bit above my contouring and I bring it down and I just smile. And it's pretty. This is a really pretty color. I'm loving the pigment of this blush. It's really pretty. I'm trying to think if I want to go glam or like almost glam. I'm trying to decide. I'm gonna take the same color Ophala. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'm gonna put this underneath on my waterline. I'm gonna bring this orange peach tone all the way in. So let's see how I like this. It looks pretty. I like it. I'm thinking that I want to line my waterline. I want to have a nice dramatic look to my makeup. So I'm going to take the other side of the Huda Beauty liner and I'm going to use this. Guys, I think I'm in love with this palette. The colors are popping so nicely. I'm hoping my lighting is like picking it up the way I see it. My hair, I'm trying to decide if I want to keep it like this. It's my natural hair. I need to get used to wearing my natural hair more. I did a twist out, I would say 3 days ago. I'll be doing some videos of me doing my hair so you guys could kind of be on the journey with me and help me to like love my hair and appreciate my curls more. So I'm so excited for that. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. I haven't used this highlighter in a while because I feel like it's very bright, very sparkly, shimmery, but I'm feeling like I want to try it. Like I want to give a nice glow to this look. I'm just doing tapping motions in this area. I really like this brush, by the way, guys. This is from Juvia's Place. This is the JP highlighter brush 01. And I feel like it's like applying my highlighter exactly where I need it to be. This is really pretty. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. I haven't used this Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife in a long time because I feel like it was just like too much products going on my face, very glittery. But this brush is actually applying it really nicely. Okay, all right. This is nice. I'm going to take the Cinnamon Churro lipstick by Beauty Bakery. It's really pretty. One thing I have to say so far, it's really easy and smooth. Like it's lining my lips really nicely on its own. I'm loving this. I love this. Honest opinion, I love this brand so far and I'm so upset that I did not know about this. I'm so excited to use this pink one day. This looks beautiful and this, you guys will definitely see a look soon with that. And I definitely love the Beauty Bakery palette. I only use this color today, but I'm so excited to explore with the rest of these colors. you guys will definitely see me explore later on in my future videos. And yeah, make sure you shop Black owned. Like, I'm gonna make sure I shop more Black owned company. So this is it for my look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I have to say I absolutely love these products. I'm definitely going to purchase so much more. I'm so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store when it comes to makeup. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see my future videos.